Hello there YouTube, and welcome to my little Hackintosh Dell Inspiron XM Mini 10. So this little computer is obviously a little netbook, and it's just running an Intel Atom processor in it, along with, I think it's like 1 gig of RAM or something. Really not that much, so Intel Atom. Just a small Dell. On the I/O we have just standard USB port, VGA, and Ethernet out. And on the other side, an SD card reader, 2 USB power, and then I'm pretty sure there's a Kensington lock on there too. I've got the blue colour and an Apple sticker on the top of it, just to make it more authentic. And to be able to get a Hackintosh on it, it only runs on Snow Leopard. So after Snow Leopard 10.6.1, they decided to remove support for any Atom processor. I'll try and get it back up again. Is this usable? Yes, it's usable. Wi-Fi works, Bluetooth works, everything works. Although, it is extremely slow and not designed for it, obviously. See, like even now, I can't get it up from sleep, so I have to shut it off completely, and I'll show you the boot up process. Actually, I'll get into the BIOS when it boots. Hit F2, and if I come in here, system date, CPU type, Intel Atom, and at 1.6 GHz. Hard disk, 250 gig. System memory, 1 gig. So that's all that. And then if I just get out of it, yep, I will let it load up into OS 10. Takes a while, but I'm just about to reformat this computer and install Windows 8 release preview on it. And at the moment it's just booting up Mac OS 10. I'm wiping it mainly because I want to have it sitting with the lid closed and have it downloading stuff kind of like as a tiny server that I can take to someone's house that say they have 200 gigs of Big Pond Liberty and they don't use about 10 of it. For some reason they got that plan. I would like to take advantage of their bandwidth and data, so all is good. And you know, it's a nice little tiny thing. The keyboard is okay to type on. It's probably one of the better netbook keyboards. The trackpad is absolutely a pain in the ass. The trackpad is small. Trackpad, yeah, I don't like it. In comparison to say an iPad, here's the size comparison. Just an iPad 2. It will fit him. It's about thickness-wise. The iPad's definitely thinner. The iPad's a tiny bit smaller, and the screen I'm pretty sure is about 11 inches. So, 10 inches, sorry. 10 or 9. I'm honestly not too sure. But, nonetheless, I'll show you that this is indeed running, and tap to click also works. Running 10.6, and that's all good. I can't activate it. I can't, update it, sorry. And I've also got iStat menus installed on here, and it detects the CPU temperature at around 50 degrees, which is kind of impressive. I wouldn't have thought they would be going that far, but it obviously is, using quite a bit of stuff. I'll just let this camera focus. Okay, so I'm back and the camera's focused in a bit. So I've got iStat menus working here, and I'll go ahead and I'll open up Chrome for you all, the older version of Chrome that isn't fully up to date, and it'll just load Google just to show you that yes, it indeed works, and it's got wireless N in it, so no other cables attached. Google, and it's just saying that I've been signed out and I should sign back in. What else can I show you? Go away. Let's open up the Finder. Oh, actually, let's not open up the Finder because I don't know what's on there. Let's go to System Preferences, because I'm actually eager to see what the resolution of this screen is. So, go Display. We're on 1024 by 600, so it's not even a 720 display. I mean, phones these days of 5 inches are having a better resolution than this screen. The screen isn't that of a higher quality, and the colors are kind of out. I had to correct them with just the Apple color correction utility about a year ago, so that's all good. In terms of viewing angles, it's fine for a netbook. In terms of weight, it's pretty light. I would say just roughly around 700 grams. So, well, probably lighter than that actually. But definitely not as light as, say, an iPad, because you have that little tiny hard drive, 250 gig hard drive in there, along with everything. And I can't close it at the moment because it'll shut off on me. But like my Apple sticker on there over the Dell. Yeah. So, would I recommend this system to anyone? I would recommend it if you wanted to do a Hackintosh like I did. I mean, it's only about, oh, you could probably get it now for about $300 or something equivalent that will run a Hackintosh. You just have to be able to find the respectable drivers for it. You download that, stick it on a USB, stick it with the retail version of OS X Snow Leopard, which is, the retail version is kind of hard to come by now because most of them are just updated.
11:45.
Ooh, just telling me the time. Okay. Yeah, most of them are updated now to not work with the Atom processor in this machine, but surely there's a few tutorials around there that'll be able to show you how to do that. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to Todd's Tech Tips for more reviews, unboxings, and other computer videos. Don't forget to check out www.toddstechtips.com. Thanks again for watching, and have a good day.